name is Jess, and I am a seed addict. If it's your first time coming, please consider subscribing. And if you're coming back, thank you for following me. Today, I am going through all my seeds. Now, these seeds that I have laid out today are seeds that I've had from the previous year. Trying to find out when everything needs to be planted. But today, I need to come through and look for onion seeds. I have them somewhere. I can't find them yet. And if you don't know or don't follow Peanuts Peppers, he has a tomato challenge out. Whoever can grow the biggest tomato, all you have to do is let them know on YouTube. There's no rules or anything, just anybody that can grow the biggest tomato. So I need to go through all the tomatoes and see what would be a good variety to grow. I'm thinking about doing the German pink tomato by Baker Creek. I'm not sure yet, but I just wanted to lay out all my seeds from the previous year to see what I have and what I don't have. So that's what I'm doing today, and this will be the first year that I actually use a gardening journal. I don't know how I'm going to set this up or how I'm going to do this yet. Courtney over at Wide Family Farm, she has a gardening chart that she has, so I'm going to get my hands on that as well to try to help me. There's actually seeds in here that I didn't think I had that I do have. And I also, I don't know if anybody else does this, but anybody that's ever sold me, or anybody that's ever given me seeds or swapped seeds with me and left me a note, I always keep that as a reminder to know where the seeds come from. It's just like a little story for me to remember back on. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to sort through here. Got my tomatoes out. And I am going to search for these onion seeds so I can start my onions today. So thank you for following along with Keto Homestead with Jess, and I hope you have a safe, healthy, and happy day, and I hope to see you soon.